And look at this. Holy guacamole. Italy does not disappoint. What? What's over there? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maciek and this is mko.adventures. And in this series I'm traveling from Italy all the way to Mongolia and eventually onwards. Let's go around the world. Another day, another morning. Welcome to Italy. Today I find myself in, not really sure how what this town is called. That's where my buddy lives. Pretty awesome. Okay, time for coffee. So the plan for today is to make some lunch and go by the pool, drink some spritz and go to Francesco's brew pub. So here we are at Francesco's brewery. It's been a fun night. Check it out. And that's his brewing machine. He's been an amazing host. It's been a lot of fun to hang out with a bunch of Italians, just having drinks, enjoying the night. I think I'm gonna sign off for tonight, and I will be heading to Croatia tomorrow. So I will see you tomorrow. Another day, another morning. I am still at Francesco's house. The plan for today, how about this? The plan is to make coffee first. But first I need to figure out how to use this thing. So let's get going. Coffee. I feel like I need coffee to make coffee. I think so. Yes. Nice. Well, as I was saying, another day, another morning. Now we're gonna have some coffee. Okay, so the plan is for me to finish this coffee, then I'm gonna start to pack up and I will head out towards, I believe it's called Ancona. Let me double check now. Anyways, I'm heading towards the Adriatic Sea. Yes, I'm heading towards Ancona and I have a ferry to catch at 7 p.m. And that ferry will take me to Croatia, and I should be in Croatia tomorrow morning, and then I'm gonna go hang out with my parents for the weekend. So that's the plan. Pack up. Francesco is out. He's gonna come back in a couple hours, have more coffee with him, and then head out. Let's get packing, I guess. No, maybe let's finish this. Maybe have more. Oh my God, look at this view. See this? This is incredible. I'm sitting in Tuscany, drinking espresso. So hold on, wallet, check. All right. Well, dude, thanks. Awesome to see you. Thanks for hosting me. So I'll send you pictures from the road. So I go left here, right? Yeah. See, and heal quickly with your finger. Yeah. All right, ciao. All right, this is it. I can't believe this is happening again. My first few days spent in Italy with my good buddy Francesco. This is phenomenal. It's been so nice to see him. He's such a great host. His family's so nice. So here I'm going actually through their town, just kind of fun to see. So they live on a basically right between the country and the town, so they have amenity of both.
Yeah, and this is I guess the trip sort of begins now. Yeah, I mean, look at this. What an amazing place to be. Tuscan countryside. Whoa. Trying to navigate this town before I crash into somebody. Everybody's pretty aggressive here, unlike in North America. Oh my god, we went to the store. We went there to buy some tomatoes. Okay, so now the plan. I am 36 minutes away from a motorcycle shop. I need to change my oil. I'm not sure if they'll change it for me. All I want to do is actually buy it, and I can do it myself at whatever gas station, unless they let me change it at the shop. So we're gonna find out. There is some language barrier, but we'll figure this out. In either case, I was told that they actually service KTM, or the mechanic's a KTM mechanic, so they will definitely have oil for this little bike. And if they do, I'll probably buy extra for later. It would be good to have some extra. Oh, which way am I going? Come on, GPS. Okay, I guess I'm going straight. Oh yeah, I'll probably buy some extra oil for later. I would like to have an extra jar for emergencies if I can't get a hold of any oil. So that's the plan. So yeah, plan is to get some oil, change the oil, and then I gotta be in Ancona, the port city on Adriatic Sea by 5 o'clock. And I think that place is 4 hours riding, so counting for my frequent stops, 5-6 hours. So yes, I'll be there right in time. Let the adventure begin. It was a nice little break in Tuscany. Now off we go. I feel like espresso is in order. I'll be honest, I am very confused where to go. I am trying to find that mechanic that was recommended. 300 meters. Okay, let's not miss him. Still okay, so we're gonna meet this road. I think I see it. Okay. Okay, so great success. I was able to buy oil. It was pretty phenomenal. I even got me some chain loop. So that's even double success. Now I just had to find a place that's semi-secluded so I can change it. Preferably some gas station that's not as busy. You know, everything just works out for me. Okie dokie, 3 hours to the ferry. This thing says what? Almost 3 o'clock. So if we add my brakes and oil change, I'll be there probably around 4-ish. Maybe 5, which is exactly what I need to be there. So I think we are awesomely on schedule. Ooh, scooters, motorcycles. Okay, well, I think I'm gonna sign off for now, and until later, we'll see what happens later. We'll see if I'm in a position to film my shadiest oil change, or if not, if I need to be stealthy, I might not have time or space to set up the camera for that. So worst case scenario, I will see you by the ferry. Okay, so here's the deal. Some guy told me to come to this gas station and hide behind to change oil, so I'm not sure how legit that is. So go behind the truck and try it there. Oh wow, this is not gonna work well for me. I don't know, should I risk it? Should I just hide it there? Hide from the police, he said. Okay. I think I can hide from the police over here. Just need some shade. Okay. Okay, so I'm not gonna set up my actual camera to film myself changing it, because I think I have to be quicker than that. So, I guess I changed the oil. That was slightly more messy than I expected it to be. Oops. I'm covered in oil. I don't necessarily like it. Okay, so I am in Ancona. Let's go to Porto or Centro. I really don't know where to go. So let's figure this out together. Oh, so check in first, then go to the ferry. Okay, gotcha, okay. Yes. Right? Tickets. Nice. Okay, let's do this, huh? I guess I'm going inside to get a ticket, so I will report afterwards. So the next step is to walk in the building and then get a ticket here. Even though I bought one, I still have to do this. So anyways, let's wait in line, get a ticket. Okay. Alrighty, let's do this. Okay, let's see where this takes us. Once again, no idea what the drill is. Two car ferries? What the? I'm so confused. Oh, I think she's the Duck 13. Declare. Boarding area. Hello. Ticket, okay. I'm not sure which one. Okay. Grazie. Nice. Oh, god damn it. Okie dokie. Fucking did it. Whew.
I'm on the ferry. Welcome to my claustrophobic cabin. Oh, look at that tiny claustrophobic cabin. And the door is right behind me. And that's the bathroom shower. I did actually shower there, I had to. The will do. Alright, it's an overnight ferry. It is 7:43. Supposedly gets to Croatia at 7. Alright. I'm getting pooped. Let's do other stuff. As you can see, I'm lost here. How do I get to outside? This way? Straight up? Oh, thank you. Oh, and then just go left or right? Okay, thank you. Okay, let's do this. What see what's up here. Oh, get a better view of the city. Okay. I guess I know where the lifeboats are. Ta-da! Okay. Look at some late arrivals. That's how we did it. That's how we got here. And look at this. Holy guacamole. Italy does not disappoint. What? What's over there? On that note, I think tomorrow's another day. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this episode. If yes, like, subscribe, smash those. Let's go to Croatia. Okay. Totally missing an action shot. We are finally moving and I don't have my nice camera. Okay. Bye bye, Italy. We're gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you, Italy. Ciao bella. Ciao bella. I wish I was on this boat. It's a lot nicer. Well, this is it. End of Italy. Another chapter, Croatia and Balkans. Here I come. This is it though.